And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the slice method for arrays. This can be used to remove elements. We've got the ARR array with a couple of colors. I printed out, and then we have that red to yellow. Let's just say we want to have a couple of these colors removed. We can use .slice for that, and then determine inside of regular brackets the index we want to slice it. For example, index 1. This would remove everything before it, which is red. The only color at index 0. Position 2 would remove red and green, leave us with blue, white and yellow. We can also use negative values and then start from the end. -1 would leave us with yellow, -2 with white and yellow, and this is how that works. Keep in mind that this creates a new array, so if I cut this out here and I print out the AR afterwards, we have red to yellow yet again. So whatever we slice, it's not being done to the array, the AR itself, but it creates a new array then. For example, I can store this in an array, let's call it ARR2. So ARR is red to yellow, but ARR2 will now be the sliced result, which is white and yellow. And this is how you can use the slice method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.